Hello and welcome to my 5th grade class. My personal teaching philosophy, as you'll see, is to promote confidence and success while using creative motivation and teaching strategies that teach to my every student's individual needs. Technology has become an integral part of our everyday lives, and while the fact that we simply use it every day doesn't make it interesting, the fact that it affects every user in a different way and results in a form of learning is what makes classroom technology an interest and a passion of mine. The educational standards, also known as the Common Core state standards, have significantly increased in depth and focus. And within those, we have integrated technology standards. In the case of my classroom, I have successfully implemented technology tools for mathematics, reading, and science. And over the course of the last several years, I have introduced, evaluated, and redefined my teaching and students' learning with newfound strategies based in this technology. In my opinion, writing is an area where technology is nearly indispensable. The implementation of Common Core and technology calls for an effective teaching through instructional strategies that will engage students and improve learning. Technology used specifically in writing instruction can enrich professional practice, provide solid models, and motivate students to engage, produce, and assess learning and skill objectives. Prior to the use of technology in writing, the use of interactive notebooks was a common implementation used to improve writing skills among students. The problem with the interactive notebooks, while they are communicative and oftentimes collaborative, they obviously lack the technology component. I've always felt that the interactive notebook lacks some important functions, and so therefore in this classroom, in my classroom this year, we will not be using interactive notebooks, but instead a technology component to help students with their writing. It has been noted in literature review that the blended learning, the use of both educational technology tools and traditional teaching strategies, is an effective approach in promoting student writing performance. So with that in mind, we are going to identify the topic or the area of focus in my classroom this year is web blogs and how these web blogs and what strategy the web blogs, what's the best strategy for using web blogs to enhance writing skills among 5th grade students. Additionally, how can these web blogs increase student engagement in writing activities? The intervention, the tool is the web blog. The strategy is daily collaborative writing, and we will be using this within the whole class setting, and in order to collect data and analyze it, we will be doing so from 5 to 6 student samples, student writing samples that are posted on the web blogs. Other collection data tools will include teacher-made writing assessments, pre-tests and post-tests, journals, artifacts, field notes, direct observation, and student surveys. So as you can see, it is a mixed method of data collection, both qualitative and quantitative. Upon analyzation of the data and review of notes, we will be able to determine to what scope the success of the web blogs is in improving student writing among the 5th grade among a 5th grade group. Finally, at the end, the evaluations, the data
Created using Powtoon.